Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today really caught my eye about, I want to say 2-3 years ago. And if I can, I'll show you the Instagram that they have. It shows this glittery lip sort of thing and it's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. And I finally got the courage to order it, and they are the Stay Golden Cosmetics lip kit or glitter lip kit. This is what the package looks like, and it also comes with directions in the back. And I also got this little flyer in there which also comes with directions and all kinds of information, as well as this cute little business card. It says, "Like my lips? Thanks. It's Stay Golden Cosmetics." So it's a cute little card. And on the back of it, it has their website, their Instagram, and I believe another Instagram account. So let's read the directions and then go ahead and apply it. Alright, number 1, first start with dry lips or our matte lip formula from our Island Girl matte collection. It says, line your lips for flawless application. This also helps guide the product for a perfect finish. 2, apply a thin layer of the Gloss Bond. We did not add any fragrance to our Gloss Bond. This allows it to be cruelty free. 3, when the Gloss Bond is clear, apply the Cosmo Glitter by dampening the sponge end of the applicator. Pat in completely, covering your lips. It also says use the precision tip of the applicator to clean up if needed. 4, go have fun because you're ready to turn heads. And that's it. And it says quick facts. Our glitter lip kit is kiss proof, drink proof, and party proof. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. And by the way, I got the shade Burlesque. That's the one I really wanted. Alright, so it comes with the beautiful glitter. That is such a beautiful color. I am so excited for this. And it also comes with this little mini lip liner. That's also a beautiful shade. Also the Gloss Bond. And this dual tip applicator, which one is a sponge side and one is a flat brush side. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start applying the lip liner. Okay, so the application isn't all that great, but the lip liner is actually really beautiful. I do love this shade and the formula is actually pretty good. So far so good. Alright, next I'm gonna go with the Gloss Bond. And on the box it also says once the gloss is clear, you can start applying the glitter. So I'm gonna do the bottom lip first and see how that goes. Ooh. That smell is strong. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this to dry a little bit. Looks pretty clear. Looks clear now. Let's start. Oh my god. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna do the top. I feel like I'm gonna do half first and then the other half of my top lip, because I felt like the glue was drying just a little bit, or the Gloss Bond was drying a little bit too fast for me while I was applying it. Still worked though, I just want to make sure. Ooh, you guys, that looks so damn beautiful. Oh my god, you guys, that's so beautiful. All right, I'm gonna grab one of my little brushes over here to wipe off the excess. All right guys, so there you go. Now I messed up a little bit on the outside of my lip, but other than that, this was fairly easy and it's so freaking stunning. This is a beautiful color. I'm glad I got this color. I'm gonna wear this for Christmas. Like, this is so, I mean, look, let me get closer. And let's see if it's kiss proof. So this is the back of my hand, nothing. There's maybe one or two little, I see a few little specks, but it's nothing really major. I mean, this is really, really pretty. I am pleasantly surprised by this, guys. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review / try on. I really hope you guys like this review. Let me know what you guys think of this product down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.